Variables are a new feature in Google Docs that allow you to save a ton of time by just updating the variable in one spot, and then it updates it everywhere throughout your document, no matter how many pages your Google Doc is. Let me show you a quick example. Here I have some made up rules for a company called Ben's Cookies, and let's say I needed to recreate this file for a different company. I could just duplicate it, and then up here I could change it. So let's say instead of Ben's Cookies, this was actually Bob's Shoe Store. Just type that in here, and once I click enter, you'll see that in the 2 sentences at the bottom, it also updated the company name to Bob's Shoe Store by using this variable. Let me show you how to do this from scratch in a brand new Google Doc. All you need to do in the document is type the @ symbol, then type in VAR for variable, and then go ahead and click on this button for variable under Smart Chips. You'll see it wants you to give a variable name. So I'm going to call this company name. And this is just sort of the container, right? It's what is that template? And you'll see on the right side of your screen, we now have this variables menu and we have company name, but there's no value set. So now I can call the company and I can say this is Ben's Cookie Co. Click enter. And now I can add this variable anywhere I want. So I can say the company name is, then I just type @ and I have a selection I can make here. I could just write company name. It'll show up. And when I click it, Ben's Cookie Co. gets filled in automatically for us. It is super easy to use this. Now, if you want to create another variable and say the owner of the company is, I could just do variable again, insert new variable, call this company owner. And then I could put in a value here for company owner and just call this Ben Revson. Click enter, and now I can use the company owner over and over again. So this document was made by, then I could do company owner for the, and then company name. And now you can see I have the company name is Ben's Cookie Co. The owner of the company is Ben Revson. The document was made by Ben Revson for the Ben's Cookie Co. organization. And that is how you use variables in Google Docs. It's awesome.